Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for the jobs in Autodesk company. Let's jump into the video. Friends, as soon as you open the Google, just search for something called Autodesk in the search bar. Once you have clicked on the search bar, you'll get all these details. Click on Careers Autodesk and then you'll see what kind of jobs are available, like technology job, sales job, business jobs, etc. So what you can do is just click on search all jobs. Once you have clicked on search all jobs, you will able to see 647 jobs so far posted by this company, and I think most of them would be active as well. So let's say if I want an HR role, so I'm going to click on jobs category and I'm going to select human resource and click on search. So there are multiple jobs related to to the HRs or human resource team or recruiting team, the compensation analyst, senior people support advisor. All this falls under the same category. So let's say if you want to apply for a role, apply for this role, just click on apply. You can click on use my last application or autofill with resume, and it will show the steps, by the way. And let's say if you want to apply for a role based upon the location, so let me select location here and let me select United Kingdom for a moment and click on search. So there are 32 jobs in UK so far. So if I want to apply, just same steps, just open the job and click on apply. Before that, read the description. If you are a good fit, then click on apply. So this is how you can filter a job based upon the location and category. Let's say if you want some Salesforce job, you can search here directly, Salesforce, and click on search. See, there are multiple roles like senior Salesforce developer, senior Salesforce QA, and many more things. And friends, the interesting part about this company is this company pays you a lot salary than you expect. This is a high paying master, I would say. And that's it, friends. That's it for this video. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.